Imagine opening a YouTube video, watching it for 30 seconds, and then getting paid. I'd like you to look at all of these YouTube videos right here and watch them for 30 seconds and get paid. Here are some of the payment proofs. As you can see here, $50, $12, $15, $20, $5, and they're literally just pages and pages of real proof of payment. Now, I'm really excited to share with you these 5 incredible websites where you can earn money simply by watching YouTube videos. Here's how much money you can make if you only start with one video website. You can make about $18 per hour. And when you're working on 3 websites, you can earn $50. And lastly, when you're working on 5 different websites to watch videos, you can earn up to $130 per hour. Amazing, isn't it? So, it will be important for you to watch this till the end and learn about all of these 5 websites in order to increase your profits. Don't worry. All of these websites are 100% real, 100% free to join, and available worldwide. So it's going to be very important for you to watch until the end and learn about all of these 5 websites to maximize your earnings. And just a heads up, I'll give you a special bonus tip that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First and foremost, I'll assume that if you're watching this video, you already have a YouTube account. Let's say, for example, you're gonna go to the search bar. When you're typing this keyword, forest travel, you'll be able to find a lot of videos that you can watch just like the usual. But I want to show you 5 websites that will allow you to watch simple YouTube videos just like this one right here. And you could be making a lot of money online just like all of these guys from different countries. So make sure you stay tuned and learn about all of these 5 websites before you go on and try them out yourself. So the first website that I want to show you today is right here on our screen called You-Cubez.com. Later on, you can see here that they have over 700,000 members and have been established since 2007. Simply put, you can earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, watching videos. And over 20,000 payments are already sent out to people from all over the countries in the world. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on this button right here, where it says sign up. And now you're gonna come onto this page where you can see here, sign up, it's free now. You'll be putting in your email address, confirming your email, putting in a password, confirm your password, full name, and username. You can just put whatever you want. And gender, just click on this to select male or female, and your date of birth. And right over here, on the section which says country, you can see when I click on this drop-down arrow, they are accepting people from all countries in the world. And I'm just curious where you're coming from watching this right now. So let me know down in the comment section below so that I could create more videos for your region in my future videos. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You could just type in YouTube and click on this I'm not a robot portion. And then you can just go read the privacy policy and their terms and conditions, and you can register for a free account. And from there, you can just watch a simple YouTube video just like this for about 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. Now, a 30-second video will pay you less money, and a 60-second video will pay you better. What I usually do is that I'll just mute the video, just turn off the volume of the video since I'll just let it play in the background without actively watching it. This is a very cool tip that you could use as well. And usually I'll just open up multiple tabs as you can see here. I'll just open up one video and watch another video as well. So by doing that, you can essentially make more money in a much lesser time. And one of the things that I do is that I also use my phone and computer and use it in both devices to watch different videos, which could speed up the earnings as well. So from there, I want to share with you a few tips right on YouTube that allows you to watch the video faster. As you can see here, the gear settings, When you click on this button, you can see the playback speed, and you can actually speed up these videos by just choosing ×2. By doing so, you'll notice a difference when playing the video by then. When I click on the play button, the video will actually play much faster now. And by doing that, you can actually watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds. Basically, that's half the original time because the speed right now is doubled. See? That's actually one of the very effective strategies to make money faster by simply watching videos. Okay, so another tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. As you can see here, by default, it should be on auto, but you can actually choose from 144p to make sure that it is on the lowest quality as possible, which saves some or most of your data connection, and this actually saves you more time if you have a slow internet connection in your area. By the way, just like what I said earlier, this website is called You-Cubez.com, and now you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Before we get into the next one, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Now, a second website where we can watch videos and make money is called Buckinsidecom. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website, because you can just watch a very short clip and you can get paid. Also, another thing that I like about this website is that you can earn cash instantly. Once you reach a $2 limit, you can cash out and withdraw your money on their website. They literally show you the latest 250 payments that they sent out to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. Look at all these locations they're covering right now, and they're growing every single day. They are quite open about all of the payments that they send out to people. You can see all of the usernames and flags of the countries here. And I'd like you to leave a comment down below if you see your country's flag right on the screen. That must be interesting. So from there, you can also see all the earnings in US dollars and all the payment methods including AirTM, PayPal, and Perfect Money. Look at all of these payment methods other than the recent payout. We can see that the total earnings, like for example, Super No or Super KNW, this guy right here, their total earning is actually $6,039, which is incredible. And that's just by watching videos on just one website. And you can see this guy's earnings, $2,252.94, $324.81, even up to $6,039.42, which is crazy. And this is just from one website, which is Buckinsidecom. Now make sure to keep watching to learn about all of these 5 websites before you go in and try it out yourself. So let's just say if you want to sign up for a free account, you can just click on the register button right on the top, and from there, that's going to take you to Buckinside.com registration form. You can just put in whatever username that you want and also your payments and login email address, and under the referral section, you can just leave it blank because I'm not going to leave any referral links on my videos. I just wanted to share this opportunity with you to try and help you make money online. Now, under the currency, you can just choose US dollar or your local currency, and for the payment methods, as you can see here, you can choose from PayPal, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and AirTM. So for me, personally, I definitely prefer PayPal money. And so just put in your birth year, and right at the bottom, you're going to see this question where they want you to click on the icon, which in this case, they just want to make sure that you're actually not a robot. And from there, you can just read the terms of service, and you can agree to that by just clicking on it. Now, moving on that third website, we're going to go to fusioncash.net. One very cool tip that I want to give you is that they do pay you to sign up for a free account, as you can see here. They'll give you a $5 sign-up bonus just for signing up for a free account. Now, all you have to do is just click on this button where it says $5 and you can register for a free account. Just put in your username, your email address, and the password to confirm the password, and put in the zip code of your country and click on the register button. Now, one thing to take note is that do make sure you confirm your email address. Make sure you check your email inbox for the verification link once you sign up for a free account. You can watch different videos to start making money. You can complete different tasks. You can start downloading different mobile apps to make money, or simply by just playing games or referring friends to the website. Okay, so let's move on to the next website, which is called Irazoo.com. Once again, this is definitely a legit company where you can earn free gift cards and cash. Right on this website, they've been paying out a lot of cash prizes to all members. They've been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and also on the Wall Street Journal. And this is basically how it works. You can join this website for free, and you can start watching the videos, earn points, and eventually you can convert the points into actual money, including cash prizes and PayPal money. You can get paid for watching videos online, which is watching entertaining videos and earning easy points. Now from there, you can click on this button right here where it says Get Started. And that's going to take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account, or you can just use your email address and provide your first name, last name, the password you're going to use, and you can then create a free account. So I want to show you what it looks like once you log into your account and right on Irazoo Dashboard. This is what you're going to see, and here are a few tips so we can earn some free points by just setting up your profile. You can answer a few questions. You can verify your email address and upload your profile image. And by doing these alone, we can earn some extra free points. And from there, when you click on this button where it says Reward Store, you're going to choose your country. If you're coming from the US, you can click on this button. If you're coming from Canada, you can click on this button. Else, if you're coming from any other country, you can just click on this part where it says Any Country. So the only way we can cash out on this website is actually through PayPal. You can receive PayPal money just by simply watching videos. So let's move on to our last website, which is AppNana. It is basically an app you can download on your iOS or your Android phone. Say for example, if you're using an Android, we can go to the Google Play Store and we can search for AppNana free gift card. And then you should be able to find the logo that looks like this. And this is where you can earn gift cards and earn cash by simply watching videos. So this is basically a free app where we can actually watch different videos and earn nanas, get nanas points, and that's where we can convert your nanas into actual money or gift cards. And when we look at the review, they have an average of about 500,000 people leaving reviews and over 4.4 stars, which is quite good as an app. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.